Okay, so let's talk about Unit 1, Lesson 2, which is writing expressions. So for each of the questions in this section, you're going to be given an expression and then you have to set it up mathematically or vice versa. So we want to come up with some words that they might use for the word add. So they might say added to, they could say some, they could say more than, but these are all clues that you need to have a plus symbol. And then there's other words. How about for subtract? So subtraction, some people reverse the order, so I'm going to put a little asterisk there to be careful. So for subtract, they might say decreased, and order does matter with subtract, so I'm going to say order matters. Okay. They might say less than, and this is the one that it gets missed the most because that definitely means to subtract from. They might say subtracted. And they might say difference. And there's other words. These are just the most common. Multiplying. So multiplying, they might say product multiplied by. And then not so much now, but later on they might say other words. And then divide, they might use the word quotient, divided by, and that's about all for now. So these are just the most common used ones. So for our first examples, we're going to have two types. They're either going to give you an expression and you write it as an expression, or they're going to give you an algebraic expression and you want to write it as a verbal expression. So these kind of look like each other's. So let's look at the first algebraic expression. So we've got the sum of W and 9. So we look at the top, and the word sum usually means to add. So I'm going to put a little hint there. So when you add on your quizzes, you do want to go in the order that they stated. So I'm going to do W plus 9. Now, we know that 9 plus W will give us the same answer, but on a quiz, the order is important, how they say it. So 8 decreased by P. So decreased stays in the same order, and it does mean to subtract. So we're going to write 8 minus P, and the order cannot change. 14 less than 20. So this does mean to subtract, but remember we talked about less than actually means to subtract it from what they want. So 14 less than 20 is actually going to be 20 minus 14. The order does get reversed. Is in math usually means equals 6. And if you look at what we've written, it should be a true statement. If it's not, that means we've reversed the order. 19 more than V. So 19 more than also means to reverse it. So V plus 19. And then the last one, the quotient of 9 and n. So whatever they state first, quotient means to divide, we're going to do 9 divided by n. And if this was multiple choice, you could also write it as 9 divided by n, left and right. So now let's try the opposite. So they're going to give us an algebraic expression and we want to write it in words. And for lots of correct answers. So even on the answer key, if you see one and you know yours is correct and you have a different answer, it is fine. So on the first one, I'm just going to say we've got n more than 4. On an exponent, usually you can say two different ways. We could do 9 to the third power, or the third power actually has a special name of cubed. So I could say 9 cubed. P minus W, there's lots of choices we can use, so pick one that you like. I like to use decreased so I don't have to switch the order. So I'm going to say P decreased by W. And then it looks like we have the same question, so I want another statement, but I need it to be different. So I'm going to say the difference of P and W. Difference does not mean to reverse the order either. So the last thing we want to talk about are equations. So the word equations, you might see equals. We saw the word is. You might say results. You might see the word total. Anything that means that you're going to do an operation and it's going to give you the final amount. So on mine, we've got the number of people going to Lagoon is twice as many people that go to Brighton. So I'm going to say let L be the number of people that go to Lagoon, and we're going to let B be the number of people that go to Brighton. I just like to use the same letter. And we want to set up an equation. So I've got the number of people going to Lagoon, that's going to be L, is means equal, twice, this is kind of hard, but twice means 2 times. So 2 times as many people that go to Brighton. So that was B. So this would be my equation. So if you are asked for an equation, you should see an equal sign.